Welcome friends. In this video I am going to prove j half of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into sin x, and j minus half of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into cos x. Here j is nothing but the Bessel's function of a first kind. Okay, that we are going to define it as Bessel's function Jn of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 to the power n plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma function of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Let me call it as 1. This is Jn of x. And here we are getting the series, and this n is nothing but once plus half and once minus half. Therefore, this series is equal to something sin x I have to prove. Then what is the series for sin x? That I will explain here first. For sin x, I have the odd powers of x and alternate plus minuses are known as sin x. That is x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus so on. Like that, for cos x also I have as even powers of x. 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus x raised to 6 by 6 factorial and so on. Therefore, this series is equal to, I have to prove this. Then I will get my required answer. Okay. Therefore, let me put n is equal to plus 1 by 2 in equation 1. Then I am going to get it as j half of x is equal to, correct? N is equal to 1 by 2 I am going to substitute here. Therefore, j half of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma function of 1 by 2 plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Therefore, simplifying this and separating this x raised to 1 by 2, I will take summation outside because r is varying here, and the summation outside I will take. That is x divided by 2 to the power 1 by 2 summation r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r into x by 2 to the power 2r into 1 divided by gamma function of r plus 3 by 2 into r factorial. Let me expand this for r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then let me try to adjust my required answer. Okay. Therefore, expanding j half of x is equal to, I will write it as the square root of x divided by 2. Raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of 1 by 2 into r is equal to 0 first. For r equal to 0, minus 1 to the power 0 is 0. It is equal to 1. X by 2 to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, it is 1 divided by r equal to 0, gamma function of 3, and it is 0 factorial is 1. Therefore, it is only gamma function of 3 by 2 plus r equal to 1. It is nothing but minus 1 into x by 2 to the power 2 into 1 divided by r is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 by 2 will become gamma function of 5 by 2 into 1 factorial plus minus 1 to the power 2 will become plus 1 into x by 2 to the power r equal to 2, that will become 4 into 1 divided by gamma function of r equal to 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 7 by 2 into 2 factorial plus so on. Next terms will come as, okay. Therefore, and using this gamma function definitions, okay, I will come to one conclusion. Okay, I know that gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. Gamma function of half is equal to root pi, I know. Therefore, and n into gamma function of n plus 1 also I know. N into gamma function of n. Therefore, gamma function of 3 by 2, I can write it as gamma function of 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, that equal to nothing but 1 by 2 into gamma function of 1 by 2, that is root pi by 2. Like that, gamma function of 5 by 2 is nothing but gamma function of 3 by 2 plus 1. Therefore, 3 by 2 into gamma function of 3 by 2, that is root 3 root pi by 4. Like that, gamma function of 7 by 2, I can write it as 15 root pi divided by 8. Using all these things here, I am going to get it as j half of x is equal to square root of x divided by 2 into 1 divided by gamma function of root 3 by 2 is nothing but root pi by 2. Therefore, reciprocating it, 2 divided by root pi minus x square by 2, x square divided by 4 it will become, and gamma function of 5 by 2 is nothing but 3 root pi by 4. Okay, that will become 4 divided by 3 root pi. Okay, next into 1 factorial is 1, plus minus 1 raised to 2 is plus 1, x by x raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 4 will become 16 into gamma function of 7 by 2 is 15. Okay, 8 divided by 15 root pi into 2 factorial is 2 minus so on. And from this one, root pi again I can take the common. Not only root pi, I will take even 2 by root pi also. Okay, then what I am going to get, let me see. Here I will take square root of x divided by 2 into 1 divided by root pi, I will take common. Then I am going to get it as 2 minus 4 cancels, x square divided by 3, okay, plus here 8 1s are 8 2s are, that is x to the power 4 divided by 15 into 4, that will become 60 into root pi already taken common, minus so on. Okay, this series, okay, very much nearest to our sine series. Okay, sine x, x cube by 3 and all those things, 3 factorial. Therefore, to make it as, again 2 is missing here, 2 I will take common, or what I will do, one x also missing, therefore I will multiply and divide by x. Okay, inside all the terms I will multiply by x and divide by x also I will do. Even 2 is multiplied and 2 I will take, multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Therefore, this will become square root of 2x divided by 2 pi into these two terms I am going to multiply inside. Okay, x divided by 2 I will take here, and I will take here. Okay, this term I will take this side, that is 2 divided by x, and x divided by 2 I will multiply inside. 2 cancels, x minus x into x square, x cube divided by 2 into 3, 6, plus x into x raised to 4, x raised to 5 divided by 120 minus so on. Just see now, this is nothing but, again here, this 2 I can write it as 2 I can write it as this is square root of x divided by 2 pi, and this 2 I will write it as root 2 into root 2, and this x I will write it as root x into root x, and this series is nothing but I will write it as x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 divided by 5 factorial minus so on. Here root x cancels, okay, into this is 2 cancels, and this I will write it as a sin x. Therefore j half of x is equal to square root of this one. I can prove. Okay, like this. Next, for j minus half of x, I want minus half of x prove here to square root of 2 divided by x into cos x I have to prove. Therefore again by Bessel's function I have jn of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r into x by 2 to the power n plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma function of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Let me put x is equal to n is equal to minus 1 by 2 in 1. Let me call this as 1. Okay, in this 1 I will put a j minus half. Therefore j minus half of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 2r, okay, into 1 divided by gamma function of minus 1 by 2 plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Now what I will do, I will split this x by 2 to the power minus 1 by 2, okay, and I will take this one to the outside. That will become x by 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 summation r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 to the power 2r will remain, okay, into 1 divided by gamma function of r plus 1 by 2 will remain, okay, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will become plus 1 by 2 into r factorial. Expanding this, j minus half of x will become, this I can write it as a square root of 2 to minus, I will write reciprocal 2 divided by x into summation r equal to 0 minus 1 raised to 0 will become 1. Therefore x by 2 to the power 0 will become 1. Therefore 1 divided by gamma function of 1 by 2 into 0 factorial plus minus 1 to the power 1 into x by 2 to the power 2 into 1 divided by gamma function of r equal to 1. This will become 3 by 2 into 1 factorial plus minus 1 to the power 2 into x by 2 to the power r equal to 2 will become 4, 1 divided by, okay, that is 1 divided by gamma r equal to 2, gamma function of 5 by 2 into 2 factorial plus so on. Therefore it is gamma function of is 2 divided by x into 1 divided by gamma function of 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 raised to 1 minus x by x square divided by 4 into 1 divided by gamma function of 3 by 2. Next plus x raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 4 will become 16 into 1 divided by gamma function of 5 by 2 into 2 factorial is 2 plus so on, okay. Then using the gamma function definitions, I already explained them. Gamma function, square root of 2 by x into gamma function of 1 by 2 is 1 by root pi minus x square divided by 4 into gamma function of 3 by 2 is nothing but already I have explained both of them, all of them, how to use the recurrence relation and all those things. Gamma function of 3 by 2 is 1 divided by root pi divided by 2, that 2 I will take out numerator, plus x raised to 4 divided by 16 into 2 into gamma function of 5 by 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 3 root pi divided by 4, I will take numerator, minus so on. Okay, and taking the root pi common, 2 divided by x into 1 divided by root pi taken common, 1 minus 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is x square divided by 2 plus x raised to, and here 4 ones are 4 fours are, that will become x raised to 4 divided by root pi is taken common, 4 into 6 will become 624 minus so on. Here this is nothing but our cos series, therefore square root of 2 divided by pi x into this is nothing but cos x. No adjustment is required here, therefore j minus half of x is equal to cos of root x. Okay, this is how to prove the j plus half of x and j minus half of x. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, also don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, then in the next videos I am going to upload for the legendaries series solution, definite solution. Okay, thank you friends.